How you doing, everyone? All right. Just back from holiday really today. Got back from Mallorca about 2 or 3 hours ago. Just done a little shopping run just to top up, as you do. And very lovely surprise to come back to England with weather as good as Mallorca. Obviously no swimming pool on the doorstep, but yeah, lovely, really nice. So back to work. It's Tuesday today. Tuesday today, back to work on Thursday, so I'm going to have tomorrow off. I've got to pick up some doors, so I'm going to be doing some doors for the next 2 or 3 days, maybe 3 or 4 days. So if anyone fancies watching a plasterer butcher 7 new doors, this is the place to see it, believe me. Yeah, so I shall be getting out some woodwork tools, a little bit of routering, trimmer, whatever you want to call it, a little bit of chiselling, putting some doors on. Nothing too exciting, but I think I'll start plastering again next week. I'm back in that climbing centre next week. I think I've just found some more bits for me to do, so that's me really. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know I'm back, if anyone cares, if anyone's watching. And yeah, just wanted to show off my tan really, like David Dickinson. And the deal is on the table. Doors are on, 7 doors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A box of hardware, hinges, got my little trimmer with my bits, and I've got my hinge jig which works like this. So if you can imagine, that's the door that will sit on there. This is the hinge which will go in the door, and that's a little jig I've built for it. So that sits there. This router bit will go in the trimmer, and it's got a bearing on the top, so when it runs, it will run along the edge of the jig there, and obviously it will cut down to whatever depth I set it for the depth of the hinge. I think I've done some temporary ones when I've built it, so excuse me, if you can imagine, that's the edge of the door, and then the router bit would have just sat down just enough, so that would be there. And then obviously once that's routed out, your hinge will sit nicely in there. So that's the plan. So let's pack all this into my bag, which is the wrong bag. That came with that, but the sprayer that came in that fits better in that, so I've done a swap. So if you're thinking about breaking into my garage and stealing a sprayer, take the Makita box, but if you want a little trim router, nick that bag instead. So I'm going to bag all this up. I'm going to take my plunge saw tomorrow with my track, because I've got to go across the door or down the edge of the door. Just setting myself up for a bit of carpentry tomorrow really. Anyway, if you want to see me doing some doors tomorrow, stay on this channel and you might teach me a few things. Any comments are much appreciated. Any subscribes, please do that too. Today's on the tour.
When the day is gone on a Texas Sunday morning, how long will be there? Oh, way.